Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Banu. Today we are going to discuss about foaming property. Of course, we are going to give demonstration of how to check foaming property in cleaning products. In case of cleaning products, foaming property is one of the important quality control parameters. In case of sophisticated laboratories, they will use Rose mile apparatus to check the foaming property. It is a dedicated apparatus for testing the foaming. Or otherwise, we can adopt a simple method. This is 100 ml graduated measuring cylinder with lid. I have purchased it from Amazon. By using this glass apparatus, we can check foaming property of any cleaning product. Now let us start the demonstration. For the example, I am taking Ariel liquid detergent to check the foaming property. First, I need to prepare the solution. I am taking 1 gram of Ariel in 100 ml of water. This is stock solution. Again, I am taking another diluted solution. Again, another diluted solution. First dilution, second dilution. So ultimately, I am using a diluted solution for testing the foaming property. Of course, exact measurements and method I have given in the description link. So ultimately, I am using 50 ml of the diluted solution. So this is 100 ml capacity measuring cylinder. I am pouring 50 ml. Then I am closing the lid, shaking gently 20 times or otherwise 20 seconds. After that, we need to note down the amount of or otherwise volume of foam. So this is the foam volume for Ariel liquid detergent with this particular dilution. For similar dilutions, we need to check the foam volume for our liquid detergent. So we can compare the difference between these two foam volumes. So we can come to an idea about our product's foaming property. And also, this is a foaming test. We can extend this test to other parameters like foam stability. After 5 minutes, after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, after 3 hours, we need to check the foam volume. How much reduction? Okay, that is called as foam stability. If it is stable for after 3 hours also, that is stable foam. So that is foam stability with respect to time. Or otherwise, we can extend this test to some more parameters. I mean, in first beaker, in stock solution, we are taking 1 ml Ariel liquid detergent and 100 ml water in this case. Here, along with 1 ml Ariel liquid detergent, we can take half ml or 1 ml of oil. So, in presence of oil, what is the amount of foam? What is the stability of the foam? So, this is oil challenging test. Because generally for any cleaning products, the amount of dishwash gel or otherwise fabric wash, anywhere, the oil is unavoidable. So this is oil challenging test. And one more thing is, while preparing the stock solution, we can use pre-measured hot water, 200 ppm hot water or otherwise 300 ppm hot water or otherwise 400 ppm hot water. So with this hotness, what is the foam volume? What is the stability of the foam? So this is also another version of this particular testing. And I would like to suggest one more simple method. Even everyone can do it without this apparatus also. Everyone can do it. This is a very simple method for a screening purpose. This is not actually quality control measurements purpose. Just for a screening. Just for an idea. In our home, we need to use a 50-liter capacity bucket. At bottom part, at 10 liter, we need to make one measurement. Then we need to pour 10 ml of the cleaning product. Then we need to open the tap. Up to 10 liters, we need to fill the water. So now we need to measure the amount of foam. Similarly, we need to carry out the test for our liquid detergent. Again, empty bucket, 10 ml our liquid detergent, 10 liters water, running water forcefully. Then we need to measure the foam volume. So this is some simple method anyone can perform even in our home. And finally, I would like to tell one thing. Excess foaming is not automatically mean excess cleaning property, good cleaning property. That is wrong. Sometimes even excess foaming is a minus point, demerit for some products. For example, floor cleaners or otherwise front load liquid detergent, here excess foaming is not advisable. So the point is, foaming is one of the important quality control parameter. It is correct. But excess foaming means not automatically it is good cleaning property. It is not correct. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.